Hi friends, hope you are all safe and well and doing okay during the lockdown. Like many of you, I have been cooking a lot, and for tonight's dinner I am cooking tandoori chicken, so I thought why not share the recipe with you guys. So I am now going to show you the ingredients. 2 full baby chicken. This will serve a family of 4. 500 gram natural yogurt. This can be from any supermarket. 3 to 4 tablespoon cooking oil. 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic. It can be either finely chopped or paste, whatever you prefer. I've got it here as finely chopped. Then we have Riya's Tandoori Masala. The reason I'm using this is, once again, everything is in there. I don't even need to add salt to the chicken. So it makes cooking super easy. And then we have lemon. So let's start cooking. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start mixing everything in the yogurt. That's basically to marinate the chicken. Oil. That's 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now ginger garlic. And then the spices. Nice tandoori kana. That's very nice. Until we get a smooth consistency. Okay, our paste is ready. So I'm going to put the first chicken in. I have already washed and prepared the chicken and sliced them like that to give a tandoori effect. Next step is to add the chicken to the paste and leave it to marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll make sure that the yogurt paste goes everywhere, even in between the cuts that I have made here, so that you get the flavor all around. So it's all nicely coated, and it's time to leave it for 10 minutes so it can marinate nicely. So let's turn the oven on while the chicken is marinating. I'll show you the settings I normally use. Between 160 to 180, and this one, where we have the grill and the fan booth. So let's preheat the oven for 5 minutes and then we will add the chicken. Okay, so time to put the chicken in the oven. So I'm gonna put it in the tray first. And now it's ready to go in the oven. Okay, so I'm going to put it in the oven now. The cooking time is 30 minutes, but halfway through I will turn it so it cooks well from both sides. So let's do a quick check on our chicken. Cooking nicely. The color is looking amazing. Okay, so our chicken is half cooked now and it's time to turn it around so it cooks well from both sides. So while the chicken is cooking, I am preparing raita and salad. And for raita is 250 gram yogurt with a pinch of salt and pepper. That's it. So it's ready now. I have used Greek yogurt, but you can use any yogurt. Greek yogurt you get more creamy texture, which I like, but you can also use natural yogurt. I know the chicken is going to be spicy. I have kept it very mild, just with a pinch of salt and pepper. Okay, so the chicken has now been cooking for nearly 30 minutes and I'm going to do the salad now. For salad I have cut and prepared everything which I am now going to mix in the bowl. Here we have a bit of everything: lettuce, onion, carrots. I always add a little bit of fruit into the salad, that's just my thing. Blueberries, cucumber, olives, cherry tomatoes and spring onion. And towards the end I'll just add a splash of lemon. Salad is ready. Okay, so the chicken is now all ready, as you can see. So let's get it out. So here it is, guys. Our chicken tandoori is all ready to eat. We are having it with naan. It can also be eaten with rice. Enjoy!